How to fix app update pending issue on Play Store. Hey guys, welcome back. If your Play Store apps are stuck on update pending or not moving at all, don't worry, it's a common issue, so let's go through the most effective solutions. You can start off by checking your internet connection. If you are on Wi-Fi network, try switching over to data, and if you are on data, try switching over to Wi-Fi. You can also try to turn on the airplane mode. Keep it turned on for 10 seconds or so, and then turn it off. This will make sure that the other apps can't browse the internet normally. The next step is to restart your phone. It sounds simple, but it works. Long press on the power button and then simply tap on the restart button here. Just go ahead and tap on it to restart your device. Next step is to clear your app cache for Play Store. Long press on Play Store, tap on the I button, then go over to storage, then tap on clear cache, and you should be good to go. Sometimes Play Store just needs a push, so for that you can go over to Play Store and then you can pause the updates and then resume it back again after. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.